I'm Lene Pearson, the resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Coos Bay. Thank you for booking your stay. Let me give you a tour. Let's go. Here at Coos Bay, our resort is very unique because we have direct beach access. Our guests can enjoy a campsite that overlooks the ocean, or a shanty that has an ocean view. You can walk right out onto the beach, right from our resort. It's a unique experience that every family can enjoy right here at Coos Bay. There's two amazing wash stations. You can do your laundry, take a hot shower. We have crab pots that our guests can borrow and go out to the local docks to catch crabs. Then you can come at our crab station and cook your crabs right here on site. Our unique and amazing yurt is available for our guests to use every day. They can go in and play games with their kids, enjoy a cup of coffee. The kids can enjoy a giant game of Jenga or a giant game of Connect 4. There's also board games, a popcorn machine, all kinds of fun things to do. Who else has a yurt? Nobody, but we do. This is what I love about Coos Bay! People come to Coos Bay for all kinds of reasons. A lot of people come here to go hiking and biking, take a charter boat ride and go fishing. They enjoy our beautiful restaurants, including Miller's at the Cove or our local brewery, Seven Devils. There's quite a few restaurants to choose from here in Coos Bay. The sand dunes are huge and vast, and people come from all over and bring their ATV equipment and ride the sand dunes for hours and hours. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our guest services coordinator, Melissa.
If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, please come see me at the Welcome Center.
Check out the Sun Outdoors app, available on the App Store, and book your next stay and get ready for another amazing beach adventure. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Outdoors Coos Bay for a memorable getaway by the beach. See you soon.